Good evening. Welcome.
Hello. Can we have a table for 4, please?
Yes, of course. Please come this way. Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
Mom, I am very hungry.
Me too. I'm starving.
Could we see the menu, please?
Yes. Here you are. Would you like something to drink?
I'll have water, please.
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Yes, lemonade sounds good.
Can I get a milkshake, please?
Good choice, son.
One milkshake coming right up.
Can I have orange juice, please?
Of course. Thank you.
Great. I'll be back soon. I'll have grilled chicken with salad. Mom, would you like a starter? Yes, I'd like vegetable soup, please.
I want vegetable soup too. For the main dish, I'll have grilled fish.
I'll have chicken soup and lasagna.
Perfect. I'll bring your food shortly.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Be careful, Bobby. The soup is very hot.
Okay, Mom. I'll wait.
Tea?
Dad, your lasagna looks so good. Oh,
It tastes great. Do you like yours?
yes, it's really delicious.
Bobby, can you pass the salt, please?
Sure, Mom. Here you go.
Anna, how is your fish? No.
It's very good.
I'm happy we came here. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much.
Would you like dessert?
I'd like ice cream.
Chocolate cake for me.
I'll have ice cream too.
I'd like cheesecake, please. All right. I'll bring it right away. Everything looks wonderful.
Dad, I'm thirsty again.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir?
could my son have a glass of water, please?
Of course.
Thank you. Just the bill, please.
Okay. I'll be right back. That dinner was lovely.
I really liked the ice cream. Dad, can we go somewhere else?
Where do you want to go?
Can we visit that new fast food place next time?
Yes, why not, son?
It was a good day with good food and family. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on our next journey.